Hey guys, what's up y'all? How are you guys doing today? How is your day and how is your week? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to yet another video and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you some ingredients mixed together to achieve a glowing, a more tighter and a more radiant skin. Mixing it with Vaseline, baking soda and other ingredients. Okay, this would help you so much to remove dark spots and age spots. Okay, when it comes to wrinkles, when you use this you're going to justify by yourself for me because this works really well. You have to be consistent. What I mean by consistent, what I mean by being consistent here is that you have to, you know, apply this and apply again and again, at least 4 or 5 times or 6 or thereabouts. You're gonna see a whole lot of improvements. I give it a little time. You're gonna see that your face is going to begin to glow. You're gonna begin to look really young and wow. Well, for those people who do not actually like using Vaseline, you can actually use cold pressed coconut oil. Okay, it does wonders. Let me take you right into the video so you can see all of the ingredients that I just mentioned and how I'm going to be mixing it, and of course I'm going to apply it on my face because I also need to look glowing, just like you can already see. All right, so let us go. Okay guys, now I'm actually going to be showing you what Vaseline and baking soda would turn my skin into. Okay, it's actually a great treatment for an aged skin, for pigmentations and all. So I'm basically going to be making use of petroleum jelly, which is Blue Seal Vaseline. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be scooping in a little of this petroleum jelly. I'm not going to be needing too much. Here we go. And then also we're going to be making use of bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Okay, now baking soda is a great ingredient for the skin. However, when you want to use baking soda, you have to be cautious and not use too much and too regular. Okay, so I'm going to be taking just 2 tablespoons of baking soda into my petroleum jelly bowl, and we're gonna mix it all up. So this is how it's gonna look like after which you've actually mixed this together. This is how it's gonna look like. It's actually a great scrub. Okay, so that's actually not all of the ingredients. So we have potato to mix this up and make this ingredient work even better. Okay, so I'm actually we're needing Irish potato, guys, not sweet potato. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel the potato, cut it, boil it, and then I'm gonna blend it into a fine paste. So here you have it. Okay, so I actually saved all of our time and did all of this off the camera And now you can see how smooth this is. I'm going to be putting 4 to 5 tablespoons of that. And then we're going to give it a good stir. So the very last ingredient, which is very required for this, is gram flour. So I'm gonna be taking 2 tablespoons of my gram flour into this. Now gram flour is actually a very good wrinkle removal remedy that actually helps so much for the skin. So I'm going to be mixing this properly. Okay, so let's go apply this onto our face and see how this transform my skin. Guys, I'm so privileged. Yeah, you need to try this, guys. Look what you make me do. Ha ha. Okay guys, so this is the Vaseline and baking soda. Alright, so this is the pap. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So what I did, I actually refrigerated this for like a little while. Okay, and so that when I apply it on my face, it's going to make my face bomb up. Okay guys, so just applying it here. Oh my god, the thick consistency, is it for me? Oh my goodness. So you have to apply all over your face, and of course you have to make sure that it actually covers your skin very well. So you can actually keep this for like 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes onto the skin, and then you clean it up or you wash it off. Okay, so before that you can actually give it a very light scrub. Okay, and yeah, I'm applying it on my lip because I need it to also also make my lip look beautiful. Okay, your face kind of look beautiful while your lip is looking too chapped. Okay, so I'm gonna be washing it off. I'm gonna start from my lips so at least I can talk. Mm. Okay guys, so let me show you my skin. Look at that. Come on. Look at that. So that's it, y'all. Okay, apply it, rub it, and your skin will glow. Your skin will look really beautiful, and your skin will look really radiant. Okay, because anytime I tend to use especially this natural ingredients on my face or on my body, basically it helps and it makes my skin so soft, so supple, and really beautiful. So that's it, y'all. I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe here, and share the video. Share, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.